Number one, the price point is everything. Where are you finding a $160 20-inch, 180%, 13x4 HD lace pre-plucked baby hair included unit? Don't worry, I'll wait. That is of good quality, by the way. Will somebody come and look at this?
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Girl, there's not one thing I do not like about this unit. Amazon? Cut it, cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco. Ruffling feathers, I'm hustling better than ever, whenever, whatever the weather. Replying the pressure, I know that I'm stretching my mind in the sky. I reside in the pleasure. You lie in my eyes and deny all my effort. Disguise our demise, we've been lost in the desert. Hearing the cries that is said in the desperate defeated. You are, but design on my temper. Passive aggressive, massive expressive, impressive progressive. I stress with the best of obsessive depressors and work with the mess of oppressive possessors that I just confess. Plus beyond measure, confined to a desk. I've been minding my treasure will fizz up forever. When days turn to nights while I drown in endeavors. However, I'm never declining the pressure. Get it together, you're just a pretender. You never been clever, we know what it is. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Down for whatever, I never been better, and I live forever, cause I never quit. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. You must forgot I'm a pop, you a dub. Shaking it fast in the back of the club. Looking for love, giving it up. No TLC, but you know you a scrub. They throw the money, you call on the floor. Breaking them once while you begging for more. Taking the bonds, I could've swore. Making them come for you, make you a whore. But you just call it a toll. You can't afford to be paying at doors. Waiting in lines, not anymore. You can't afford anything that you pour. Late to the party, Bacardi galore. Hate from the lobby, your hobby's a bore. Messy and sloppy, embody a body that looks like an auntie, is so insecure. Get it together, you're just a pretender. You never been clever, we know what it is. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Down for whatever, I never been better, and I live forever, cause I never quit. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit.
Wait a minute, let me get it, been a little different. Ever since I've been inside, she can never forget it. I've been a man, fucking so dope. Got a man for the low, got a plan for the hoes though. She know that I'm a motherfucking eater. My plan so damn so beat her. You clap it back, I feed her. These cocoa quesadillas. You ran from the gate, made baby, late, Nate said you so heater. What the fuck, wanna rough, wanna get tough, let's stuff on, get your ass cleaner. You know I want it, I'm on forward, ho, you wanna ride. I can't afford it, how you flown it and you on the side.
Get it together, you're just a pretender, you never been clever, we know what it is. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Down for whatever, I never been better, and I live forever, cause I never quit. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Get it together, you're just a pretender, you never been clever, we know what it is. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Down for whatever, I never been better, and I live forever, cause I never quit. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another Amazon human hair unit, you guys, and I am absolutely shook and blown away with this company. I have not heard of this company before. I was just researching different human hair units on Amazon to pick up for you guys, and I stumbled across this company called Wingirl, and I am blown away. My expectations weren't super high because it is $160 that I paid for this 20-inch HD lace 13x4 Brazilian 180% density unit, and girl, they blew this one out of the water. This one is absolutely phenomenal. So as far as the construction on this unit goes, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with a little bit of lace in the back that you do have to cut off. So it does come with 13x4 HD lace parting space, honey. It does come pre-plucked pretty much. Honestly, it's pretty good to go right out of the box. I did go in and pluck it out a little bit. The knots on this one weren't crazy, but I did go in and bleach them as well. It did come with baby hairs, and I just want to come in and show you guys this hairline because I am so in love with this unit, you guys. I cannot believe this was on Amazon. Y'all, the hairline on this unit, I can't even believe it. I cannot even believe it. Now the length on this unit, just like I told you guys, is 20 inches, and it definitely is true to length. As you can see, I did go and throw some wand curls in there. Initially, when you get it straight from Amazon, it will have this beautiful curl pattern. I did go in and bleach the unit. I had to wash all that bleach and everything out. It did revert back to this like nice kind of straight wavy sort of pattern that was really beautiful. Moment of silence, because Amazon, you are killing the game. Like, girl, what? So the density is definitely true to word. 180% density, you guys. This hair is nice and full. It is beautiful. This is everything to the front. It is a beautiful amount of hair. It's not heavy on my head though whatsoever. The cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly, girls. So yes, for that, I did have to go in and adjust the straps on this one all the way, but it's fitting my head like nobody's business. This is snug, girl. The construction on this unit is dope. The hairline, the parting space, the curls, the quality of the hair, like I cannot even express how like amazed I am, honestly. Like, girl, you guys know I am new to the not bleaching gang, so this time what I did a little bit differently than my previous time was I did just go in with some purple shampoo, which I feel like definitely helped a lot to get rid of that bronze sort of vibe. Let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. Just like I said, literally no cons whatsoever. Can we just pop right into the positives, the pros on this unit? Number one, the price point is everything. Where were you finding a $160 20-inch 180% 13x4 HD lace pre-plucked baby hair included unit? Don't worry, I'll wait. That is of good quality, by the way. I'll wait. That's what I thought. So like past all those pros that we have on it, the length, the density, the natural luster, the texture of it, the quality of it, y'all, oh my god, this hair is absolutely phenomenal. It took the bleach incredibly well. I feel like the hairline is looking perfect. The baby hair is just everything. I cannot say enough positive things about this unit. I'm just so happy that I picked this one up and decided to give this company a try. I feel like if this is one you guys may be questioning, girl, do yourself a favor, do me a favor, pick this unit up and get you some like looks in your life. Get you some looks in your life, because I'm serving them. Huh, you can't tell me nothing, because I'm serving them up hot on a platter, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you find this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.